Good day, my name is Mark Malore. I'm an attorney here in Riverside, California. I got a number of clients in Chino and Chino Hills dealing with the formation of new business ventures in this marketplace, whether that's a corporation or an LLC. So I thought it'd helpful to put together a quick video on some of the things you need to think about before starting such a business venture. The first suggestion I'm going to have for you is that you go see a certified public accountant about the tax ramifications for your particular business enterprise and the formation of a corporation or an LLC for that business. The tax ramifications can have a significant effect on your bottom line, and so choosing the right entity to maximize your tax benefits is going to be of utmost importance and value to you as a business owner. The next thing we look to is what type of entity to form. So when we have that direction from the tax accountant, we can then go to form that. What do we look to form? Well, we can choose from a corporation, a C corporation or S corporation. What do I mean by that? There's some designations that the IRS gives corporations in terms of taxable events. The taxation on a C corporation occurs dually or double taxation. S corporation is taxed singularly or just once. And that's one of the big distinctions while we're on the tax subject between the two. In other words, when the corporation brings in money or income, the corporation pays tax on that amount of income. Then when it devolves to the shareholders or flows through to the shareholders will pay tax on what flows through to them as well, hence double taxation. An S corporation is taxed singularly like a partnership. Income flows through, it's expensed out through the corporation's expenses, and then the shareholder will pay tax on its 1040, the K-1 filing for the amount of income that they make based on their tax rate. From a tax perspective, that's the difference. Some other differences that I think are important are an S corporation can't have corporate shareholders. They're also limited to the number of shareholders that they can have. C corporation has no such limitations with respect to shareholders, but does have some additional tax benefits and deductions that an S corporation doesn't have. Those are some of the finer points you want to go over with your CPA. From a personal liability perspective, there really is no difference between a limited liability company and a corporation, whether it's a C or S. There are differences, however, in the execution of a judgment on a shareholder with corporation or an LLC. Those are some of the finer points that we can go over if you have those issues. But if you're interested in forming a business venture or a new corporation or LLC, feel free to give my office a call and set up an appointment. I'd be happy to discuss that matter with you.